Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's topic is, what are the most common causes of building component failures? Is it workmanship? Is it design? Or is it material? Coming up next. Welcome back. So here's this article that I wanted to review. Historical building enclosure performance through the lens of forensic investigations. I will cite the article just to make sure we don't run in trouble here. This study was based on the analysis of about 140 buildings investigated in the West Coast of the United States within the past 2 decades. And I want to show you 3 graphs, really interesting and represent what is going on, I believe, maybe within the construction industry. So the first chart is, what are these systems that we're talking about, these building enclosure systems? Windows, curtain walls, roofing, waterproofing. So you can see from this, from the 140 buildings, number 1 leading the charge here for failure would be wall assembly. Roofing is in the mix. I'm not sure if this is in order or not, but roofing is definitely a piece of the pie here. Let's look at the second chart, which is a comparison of historical data. And this is also pretty shocking when you look at these numbers. I mean, in the 70s, it took 20 years before, on average, before they experienced the first failure of one of those systems, like windows, roofs, wall systems. Fast forward to today, you're looking at 3 years. That's a massive, massive drop from 20 years to 3 years. So you're experiencing failures of your building enclosure systems much earlier. And finally, so let's look at the third chart. Is it going to be material? Is it going to be workmanship? Or is it going to be the consultants, the designers? Let's see. Failure cause. Material, guys. You guys can breathe. You're a small part of the puzzle or the pie. Looks like the biggest issue seems to be design, and closely second is workmanship, installation. I think it's key that we all work together because of the uniqueness of these new technologies. Again, we have to create documents that work, and we have to select contractors for the workmanship that can actually execute, that have the training and the knowledge and experience to execute and pay attention to these details. I think with this new technologies, new materials we have, definitely the little details make a huge difference and will make or break any project. This is pretty interesting. So let's work together and make every project successful. And I want to be here. This is unacceptable. 2.8 years for failure? I don't think so. We gotta be back up here the 15, 20 plus years before we experience any failure. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, thank you.